Are we ready?
Yeah.
For fire in the hole. All right, give her a crank. So out here today and with my good buddy Dave, and today we're picking up an old pickup truck that I got. It's a 1928 Ford Model A. It needs some love. It is a cool ranch pickup. The history that I know on it, the truck was in Arizona for most of its entire life. The guy that I bought this from owned the truck for 50 years. His family owned it for 50 years. It's pretty cool, but this is an Arizona truck. It's pretty dry. It's not rotted out really bad. These old trucks, there was 62,000 of these made in 1928. If you can only imagine the beating that they took over the years. 50,000 of them are scrapped and rotten and gone. So there's probably not a whole lot of these left, especially with this cab style, which makes it kind of valuable for me. But I'm gonna drag it out of here today, get it back to Goodsprings so we can have some fun with it, try to make it run. I'm assuming the tank on this thing's probably a little shitty. Probably gotta clean it up. So on a lot of these old trucks, not all of them had a spare tire cut out. So this is set up for a spare tire, which I think would be cool if we put it back in there. I've got some other wheels and tires laying around that I'll try to make this thing roll. That definitely is not the wheel that goes to this truck. Now these stock racks in the back, these possibly could have been factory. They came with these back then. I mean, so you could, load them up full of stuff and haul whatever you want with it. This mirror is insanely cool. I mean, it's just bolted on right here. Here's your adjuster here. So if you want to move your mirror out, you just break this loose, slide it out, and then tighten it back up. The old mechanical windshield wiper. If I can get this thing. I'm gonna have to do a little work on that door, but windshield wiper works. You know why it works? Is because it's mechanical. That's why it works. All of 40 horsepower little banger motor. Maybe clean it off or not. Just see if it'll fire up and run. It might. I don't know if we can get some spark and gas to it and a good 6-volt battery. Let's hope it'll run. So anyway, some cool features. It looks like they had like a little push bar on here. That's not really a factory thing. But I'm assuming they put this on here in case they wanted to push some, push things with it. Like, it's a ranch truck. It's got a few little beatings on it. Straighten out a few fenders or not. I like the character of it. It's got so much character. That's why I love the little thing. Anyway, I'm gonna get it over to the shop, my little shop. See if we can put a battery and some gas in it and maybe fire it up. Okay, so we got this little truck back out here to Goodsprings where it belongs. This little truck looks like it belongs in Goodsprings. I'm really big collecting all the things from the 30s right now because I feel like this was a booming town between probably 1900 to 1930s. So I want to keep that era alive in this little town. It's a cool little ghost town. It's quiet. It's a little creepy, and this stuff belongs here. So I'm gonna throw some wheels and tires on it that I got laying around. I got lots of Model A parts laying around. So I think I got enough tires and wheels that we can air up and put on here so we can at least roll it around. A matching set of rims, probably not gonna happen, but we could probably get close. So let's do it. Well, let's just put some tires on it and see if the thing will run. And then we can move it around. Then if we decide we like it, we'll throw some good tires on it. This red one looks like it might hold a little. It looks a little about ready to blow out, but
definitely. Perfect.
This blue one looks like it's holding air. Didn't we have 2 red ones in there that were good?
You know, we do actually. We had 2 in here that were good.
There you go.
That one's
There's
solid.
one there. I think it's that back one.
Yeah. All right, so we got the tires back on and they're holding air and it should roll. Everything's kind of moving around. And so now we're just trying to get it running.
I guess this battery's 15 years old, but you never know. It might take a charge. I love these little things. Aren't they cool? That was a positive ground. Positively grounded. I wonder if that's our ignition. Oh. I think they had it hooked up wrong. Because it's reversed. Yeah, right? They had it. Right there. They had it the wrong way. So that's why it's kind of narrow. Wish they would have found a better place for the batteries on these things, though. They're always a pain in the ass. Should make some noise.
With any luck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
She sounds like she'll
That's
crank.
promising.
Now all we got to do is figure out our wiring.
Yeah. You want
We just got to figure out if it's got any.
Off this cap.
If we have, we might want to. You know what? Let's take this off real quick and clean it. See how fudged up it is.
Actually, not even bad, dude. Let's send it.
Let me clean these off with a little something. They're a little. We should see if we need to get. We need to get spark. We need power to the coil. What do we got going here? We need maybe this is our power to the coil. What we could do for now is just that wire's so bad, we'll just run one from the battery to it.
These plugs are loose too.
Are they?
Yeah, this one I can back right out. That one I can back right out.
Try it again. Kind of just pump it, just pound on it. I should put some water in it. We just gotta wire it, put some water in it, do a little bit of shit to it. She runs.
Blowing rust out of it.
Probably rat's nests and everything out of it.